Hello guys, this is Satyam and today I'm going to tell you how to convert blogger into website. So guys, let's start. So guys, you can see this template over here. You can find the link of this template in the description. So now click on this template. Now click on unzip. So guys, we only need this XML file. So guys, now let's go to blogger dashboard. Here you can see this blogger dashboard. So click here on 3 lines. Now click on theme. Then click here. Now click on restore. Now click on upload. Then click on files. Then here you can see this template. Now click here. So now let's go to blogger. So you can see this template is professional. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please make sure to subscribe and just press the bell icon, and don't forget to visit my website www.ratic.blogspot.com, and don't forget to visit my another website www.TubeTed.blogspot.com. So guys, bye bye, see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.